Hi, welcome to webproco.com. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to use our automatic WordPress installer to set up WordPress in less than 5 minutes. So here we go. Go ahead and open your browser, your web browser, and navigate to webproco.com. You'll see it up here in the left-hand corner. Go ahead and click on the green button there, Get Started Now. We really believe, and you'll see there, we claim it's the world's easiest WordPress setup, and we truly believe that. You'll see three options here. One is I want WebPro Media LLC to register the domain for me. You still have complete control over your domain. This is just an option if you don't want to use GoDaddy or some other registrar out there. They're kind of a pain to go through their setup processes, and we wanted to streamline that for people and get them out of the process and the hassle of going to these registrars that try to upsell everyone on everything. The second option here is I want to transfer my domain, and this is an option for, I wouldn't say it's advanced users, but if you want us to register your domain or you want to pay us for the domain and the hosting and everything each year, and you just want to have it all under one umbrella, that's an easy way to do it. Today we're going to I will set up my name servers and on our existing domain. This is mainly because we know our domain. We're going to show you a demonstration of a domain that we already own. So this domain is called newstoresolutions.com, and throughout the rest of our videos we're going to be using newstoresolutions.com as our test domain. So when you see videos on how to install WordPress plugins or WordPress themes, this is the domain that we're gonna be demonstrating for you. And we'll go ahead and click on the check availability button, and what that's going to do, if you had chosen the first option there, it would actually go out and check to see if that domain's available. In our case, we're saying, hey, we already own the domain. So here you'll see we've got the first month's fee. It's $49. That includes our automatic installation, and we believe it's worth every penny. Normally you're going to have to go research how to do the entire installation from start to finish, and you're going to have to research the plugins to install, get some themes, clean the themes, make them secure. So we've done a lot of upfront work for you, and we really believe it's worth the money. And then our total recurring is $19 a month. Go ahead and wait here, and this is just kind of simulating. Here's our invoice. The first option there is you can check out and you can pay us each month. And if you choose to do that, you really have to just each month you can pay the $19 a month, and you have to pay attention. You'll get emails with an invoice. The second option, which is a better option, is to use that PayPal subscribe button, and that's going to automatically subscribe you. If you go on vacation for 3 months or something, you don't have to worry about catching up and making sure that your domain's caught up and paid. Let me drag another window over here. This is just an example of what it'll look like. You'll get 4 emails: a welcome email, order confirmation, the customer invoice, and really the fourth email you're getting here. It's the one on top, new account information. This has everything you need. So you'll want to you're really going to want to print this and put it in a file or secure it somehow, or just keep it in email if you feel like your email is secure. And this top section here, the WordPress login URL, that's the only information you're really going to need to log into your site and start posting content and start promoting your site. It's really that easy. We've set everything up for you. You don't have to go click around. We've just auto assigned a new username and password there. We recommend that you change your password once you log into the new interface here. So and you'll see below, we say everything below this point is just for your records, and that's all it is. It's a cPanel account with FTP information and some other information. Let's say you wanted to hire a web designer or a web company. It's flexible enough that they could actually log in and do custom work for you. We don't restrict any of that. We're not trying to box you into a corner. We're just trying to make the setup process as easy as possible for people that just aren't familiar with it. We'll go ahead and click on this or select it here and get back in our other browser window. And it's that easy. We've already transferred our domain or our name servers, so that's why it's actually working right now. But yours may take a little longer if it's a new domain registration. And you'll see here, if you look at appearance, we've got 20 plus themes installed, and every theme that we've packaged within this has been cleaned. So when you're out and about on the internet, if you're looking for free WordPress themes, just keep in mind that security is an issue, and you got to watch out for spam links and things embedded within the themes. So we've cleaned the themes that are in this installation, so you don't have to. And it's kind of nice. You just have a little more peace of mind. If you don't really know what you're doing, you can select one of these themes and feel comfortable that we've cleaned it appropriately for you. Let's go back here and we'll look at plugins. We've also installed quite a few plugins. .html on pages. That's a plugin that basically, if you add pages to your site, it's WordPress is a full CMS, a full content management system, so you can add pages and like about.html and contact.html, and that it just gives a little bit better SEO practice to your website. And then if you look here, we've got a bunch of other plugins installed, and things like FeedBurner and the permalinks, the WordPress SEO. There's a ton of value in all these plugins, and we're going to have videos in the future that show you how to use these. So you just have to be patient, and we'll get the content out there so you can look at these plugins and understand what they do, and then understand how to use them and how to use a lot of it to promote your site. And we really feel like all of these are necessary to promote a site, and that's why we've included them all by default. If you go over here to settings and then permalinks on the left, you'll see we've also put in the proper structure. We feel this is one of the best things you can do for search engine optimization, is have each post that you have in WordPress say category/post name. So it tells the search engines what is on that page, and it really adds value to your pages and tells Google and Bing and Yahoo, hey, this is the content that's on this page, and it helps you rank a little bit higher. And that's it. That's as easy as it gets to install WordPress and have the plugins and themes and everything all done for you. Now you can actually get to the point where you're promoting your site and kind of enjoying what you do, which is hopefully building a website around what you're passionate about.